we are going to discuss about the most important medicine that none of us are taking, that we all should take, but most of us are missing out on. But before knowing that most important medicine, there's a small request that if you're liking my videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get important notifications on my videos. Now, coming back to the important concept that sleep is one of the most important medicines. Listening to this, there will be two categories of people. The first category would say, Doctor, are you joking? Is sleep really a medicine? So for them, I would like to say, this is a short video. Please wait till the end and I will prove you with science that yes, sleep is a medicine. There will be second category of people who would say, okay, we know sleep is important, sleep is healthy. But for them, my request is again to wait till the end of the video because what I am about to say may not be to your knowledge. You may not be aware about the things that I am about to tell you about sleep. So coming back to the concept that sleep is an important medicine. Do you know that sleep has the power to kill the virus, bacteria, infections in your body and also fight the cancer cells? Yes, sleep has that power. Now you would say, Doctor, antibiotics are prescribed for bacterial infection, viral infections are self-healing generally, and there are no antibiotics. Yes, that's true. But sleep is also important because sleep helps you fight against that virus and the bacterial infection and in some cases the cancer cells also. How? Because sleep boosts your immunity. How does sleep boost your immunity? So there are particular type of cells in your body which are called as T cells or the T lymphocytes. These T lymphocytes generally identify the infected cell, the virus infected cells, the bacteria infected cells and the cancer cells in your body, and they destroy and damage the infected cells and the cancer cells. And sleep increases the activity of the T cells. Medical research and evidence has concluded that sleep increases the activity of the T cells and hence T cells are better able to destroy or damage the infection from your body, the viral infection, the bacterial infection and the cancer cells. So yes, sleep is important. Now, how is the action of these T cells increased? So what happens is during stress, during your awake phase, there is a sort of chemical that is released. During your awake phase, you may be in less stress or more stress, but there is a chemical that is released or there are a battery of chemicals which are namely adrenaline, noradrenaline and cortisol, which are basically nothing but stress hormones which are present in your body. And during inflammation, there is another chemical which is prostaglandins or the pro-inflammatory chemicals in your body. These four chemicals together reduce the activity of integrin in your body, reduce the stickiness of integrin in your body. Now what integrin does is, so basically when a infected cell or a cancer cell is identified by the T cell, integrin acts as a bond between them. How will a T cell destroy an infected cell? It will use integrin to stick to the infected cell. So integrin helps the T cell to stick to the infected cell and then damage it. That is how the damage happens. But in stress, when these stress hormones are there, the prostaglandins are there, what happens is this stickiness of integrin is reduced. When the stickiness of integrin is reduced, it is quite obvious that the T cells may not be able to act to its full potential. That means the T cells may not be able to damage the virus infected cells, the bacterial infected cells or the cancer cells in your body. However, when you take proper sleep, when you are taking a resting phase, you are in the resting phase, the stress level reduces and so does these stress hormones. the adrenaline, noradrenaline, and cortisol reduce in your body when you sleep because the stress is reduced. And simultaneously, the pro-inflammatory chemicals, the prostaglandins, also reduce when you are taking sleep. Now, this is quite obvious that when these chemicals are reduced, the stickiness of integrin increases. Hence, what happens is T cells are fast able to bind to the damaged infected cell, the cancer cells, and damage them. And that's how during sleep, when the inflammatory chemicals, the stress hormones reduce, integrin stickiness increase, and because integrins bind the T cells to the damaged cells, so T cells are effectively able to stick to the damaged cell to destroy them completely. And that is how sleep increases the activity of T cells and hence boosts immunity, and hence T cells and the sleep act as your natural medicine. So sleep is your natural medicine, which is physiological but a medical treatment. And hence this is proved. Now, to understand the evidence behind it, there is evidence from your own life. If you've got sick sometime or the other, I'm sure you might have realized your parents and grandparents telling you that son or daughter, please take adequate rest. That's what they tell you. They may not explain the science behind it, but they say that is how you will get better soon. But the science is something that I have just explained you. So what people from ages have been saying, that take rest during infection, take rest during illness, there is a science behind it, and the science is just being discussed in this video in the last few minutes. So hence proved again that sleep is a medicine. Now, from your own life, you might have seen that you might have got ill a couple of times or more. And you might have also seen that sometimes you have taken more rest and sometimes less rest. You might have realized that when you have taken more rest, you have healed faster. You have got well soon enough, rather than when you have taken less rest, you were stressed out of work, out of family, out of any reason. But when you take proper rest, you have got well soon, you have got up from the bed sooner. And that's how hence proved again that sleep is okay, a physiological phenomena you should take, but it is a medicine that you should take. So sleep is a medicine which all of us should take from today onwards. At least 6 to 7 hours of sleep from today onwards you should take, no matter what, because sleep is a medicine which fights against infection and boosts your immunity. Hence proved. So friends, I hope this video was interesting because this was different from the other topics. If you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you.